The DEERC D70 Camera Drone is an ideal choice for beginners, boasting user-friendly features such as one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop and headless mode, which can be mastered within 10 minutes. It provides a multitude of fun exploration opportunities with its intelligent app control and various functions like TapFly, voice control, gesture selfie, throw-to-go, 360-degree flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. Equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, this drone can capture high-quality aerial photos and videos, and its Wi-Fi real-time transmission feature allows quick sharing of enjoyable moments. With its compact and foldable design, this palm-sized drone is extremely portable and even fits comfortably in your pocket. The DEERC D70 Camera Drone is backed by a worry-free service, offering 24/7 full-time after-sales service and a 1-year free replacement. With over 1,500,000 units sold annually worldwide, this drone has garnered high praise for its user-friendly features and excellent customer service.